this video is going to be a little bit more about bills of material and how to get them into Luminous. So I'm going to come over here in Luminous. We will come down to inventory admin, and there is an option right here to click bills of materials. Now, a bill of material is basically a recipe that you are going to use to then assemble or manufacture a finished product. Now, to come in here and create your bills of materials, you're going to come up into the top right, click create bill of materials. We're going to go ahead and give this bill of materials a name. Usually I like to give it the name of the finished product that you are producing. So maybe in this case, we're going to say this is cookie. This is maybe chocolate chip right here. And then I can go in here and add each component that'll go into this chocolate chip. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a couple rows here. I will have some flour. Something important to note with these raw goods, we will need a SKU for them as well inside of Luminous. So we'll need to make sure to create actual products for these as well. Flour is a good example if we're making cookies. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to also add some cocoa. I have some butter and also some sugar. You can take rows away like this. You can also add notes or directions to each of these components if needed. And then I can also come in and edit the quantity as well as the unit of measure. So maybe I have 1.5 grams, or maybe I have 1 milligram. You have the freedom to update these and make sure it's exactly how you'd like. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna save this bill of material. Now, the next step that I need to take here is I need to attach that BOM to that specific SKU, that finished product. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna search up my chocolate. I should have a chocolate chip cookie. We'll say that we have this protein bar. This is our finished product. I'm gonna click into here, and there's this option right here under bill of materials. Come in and include that bill of material that we just made. Click done, which will now enable you to do an assembly order, which will deduct from the components or the raw goods and get you to this finished product. In our example, this cookie. You are able to have multiple bills of material under the same finished product. An example may be if there's multiple ways to create a product, this provides a little bit more flexibility with your manufacturing workflows. Thanks.